Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a text box in Google Slides on your mobile phone from the Google Slides app itself. Whether it is on Android or iOS, it doesn't really matter. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Now let's get started with the video. First, you need to open your Google Slides app on your phone. This is the original Google Slides app, and simply log in into your account. As you can see, I have already logged into my account, and open the slide of the presentation where you want to delete a text box. Simply open it, and when you are in this interface, simply click on it and tap the edit slides option that pops up. Now here, choose the text box which you want to delete. After you choose, a pop-up will come up saying cut, copy, paste and delete. The delete is highlighted in red letters or red colors. Now simply click on the delete, and as you can see, that text box is now deleted. If you want to delete others as well, simply click on it once again and click the delete option that pops up when you click the text box. As you can see, it is as simple as that. Now no text box are here in this slide, and the text box will disappear immediately. You can also tap and hold a text box, then drag it to off the slide to remove it quickly, and that's it guys. Now your slide can stay clean and organized. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and comment below how often you edit slides on your mobile phone, whether it is Android or iOS. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.